Gineerbens, qualified ba kami sa Bdo Housing Loan? So that's basically most of the questions that I receive sa ating mga clients. So the only thing to find out, to at least know, see the requirements kung meron ka or pwede ka ba. And then let's also have the loan calculator ng BDO kung magkano at pasok din ba sa budget mo. By the way, disclaimer, hindi po ako taga BDO. Ginagamit lang natin yung information ng BDO sa kanilang official website. So, ang first natin na gagawin is, punta tayo sa bdo.com.ph, personal loans, home loan calculator. So, now, let's find out property type. So, condominium yung ating ilagay na example. So, for example, 3 million yung ating price. Naka-down payment tayo ng 10%. Sabihin na lang natin, let's have 15%. And then, loan amount, desired monthly amount, and then naka-fix siya 7%, fixed for 1 year, or let us say 3 years. And then, let's just click the compute. So, nakalagay dito is, amount is 2,550,000, and then pag 20 years mong i-loan, dapat meron kang monthly amortization na 20,900 or 21,000. Kung 15 years, 24,000, 10 years, 30,000, and then kung 5 years is 51,000. You know it already kung magkano yung magiging monthly amortization mo in a specific or corresponds to the loan term and loan amount. So at least meron kang idea ngayon na pasok sa budget. Okay kayo. Pag okay, so let's have the list of requirements ng BDO. Ang requirements niya is, number 1, at least 21 years old but not exceeding 70 years old at the end of the loan term. That means to say, dapat kung i-avail mo ang 5%, so dapat 65 ka, very least. Kasi 70, at least not exceeding 70 years old at the end of loan term. Tapos, dapat Filipino citizen ka. Pero kung foreign citizen ka naman, walang problema. Dapat masatisfy mo yung requirement niya for foreign nationals. Then, minimum gross income of 50,000 pesos per month or equivalent in US dollars. Ito yung mga katanungan lagi na na-receive natin na, Sir, hindi po umabot yung aking monthly salary ng 50,000 pesos. So, meron pang way si BDO for that. Kung hindi ka umabot ng 50,000, ang gagawin mo ay yung combined gross family income is considered for home loan. Number 1, if married ka, pwedeng i-add yung income ng asawa mo. So, total at least magkaroon kayo ng 50,000 pesos. Kung single ka naman at hindi pa rin umabot, pwede kang mag-co-borrower. So, ang income ni co-borrower is pwede madagdag doon sa total income requirement. So, at least meron kayong 25-25. And then, kung nagtatrabaho ka sa isang company tapos commission-based, or meron kang sideline na nagbibigay sa'yo ng commission, pwede mong idagdag sa total income requirement. So, pwede mong idagdag yung commission na matatanggap mo. Pwede nilang i-honor yun. If you receive commissions as additional income, you can have this considered as part of your salary. The good thing is pwede, di ba? Maganda. Then, yung requirement niya ay, dito tayo sa pinakaklaro nilang basic document. Number 1, complete mo yung application form. And then, magdala ka ng 1x1 valid ID na nag-match doon sa application details. Then, kung married ka, marriage contract if applicable. So, yung income document, ito yung pinaka-importante, yung sinabi natin kanina, latest 3-month payslip. Lahat naman tayo nagkaka-receive. Kung ikaw ay employed, meron tayong payslip. Latest certificate of employment with income. So, certificate of employment, naka-state doon yung income mo. And then, yung ITR, income tax return. Kung self-employed ka naman, kailangan mo ring magdala ng Certificate of Business Registration from SEC, Security and Exchange Commission, if applicable. Then, bank statement for non-BDO account. And then, audited financial statement for at least 2 years. At kung OFW ka, ay latest proof of remittance for last 3 months. And then, 3 months pay slip. And then, yung salary certificate or certificate of employment with income. Actually, meron na tayo niyan eh. Yung COE. Pwede ka rin sa, sa Kiwa, meron na rin dun. Latest crew contract if sea-based. And then, itong collateral documents, kung accredited ang developer ng BDO, contract to sell is enough. Pero kung hindi naman, kailangan mo magdala ng photocopy ng TCT or CCT or contract to sell, then photocopy of tax declaration, authorization for tax mapping signed by present owner, and a copy of appraisal fee. So, kailangan may appraisal pa. And then if construction loan, photocopy of transfer, certificate of title, and then tax declaration, building plan, building specification, and a copy of payment for appraisal fee. Yun lang naman yung mga requirements ng BDO. And by the way, pwede kayo mag-submit through online. And then pwede rin i-submit sa BDO Loans Center and sa more than 1,000 BDO branches nationwide. So, kung i-click mo itong online, ang lalabas dito ay meron kang fill upan. So, yung mga naka-asterisk dapat i-kompletuhin mo. So, borrower's information. So, si borrower's information, kailangan mong lagyan yan. Borrower's information, lagyan lang natin para meron lang tayong sample, no? Para makita natin kung pwede ba tayo. gmail.com Philippines. Ayan, hindi na kailangan. Philippines. Fill.com. Next. So, after that, meron kang undertaking. I-ano mo lang yan. Sign through your name. And then, I understand. And you're going to submit. Copy mo lang yung code. And then, submit. So, that's basically it. Kung mag-apply ka online. Napaka-simple lang, guys. And then you will know kung qualified ka or meron kang mga kailangan pang additional documents na i-submit for your application. Kasi, yan lang naman. Hopefully, ma-approve yung inyong mga housing loan or condominium loan sa BDO. Actually, medyo konti lang yung mga requirements for home loan ng BDO. You can have it online, the best thing. So that's it for this episode. I hope to learn something out from this video. Please consider subscribing and please comment below, share, like, and subscribe. So I guess that's it for this episode. Have a great day and God bless. Bye!